What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Dylan and this is something I'm super excited for. This is my unboxing of the OnePlus 6. So if you guys have seen my last video, the very first phone that I've ever purchased new was the OnePlus 5. And this right here is the OnePlus 6. They had a few upgrades and we're about to check them out right now. Nice. So I purchased the OnePlus 6 Mirror Black. It's the 8GB version with the 128GB storage. I picked the Mirror Black one because it's got like this glossy look to it and I think it'll look really nice. I just like the way that OnePlus packages things because it's really streamlined. Alright, so let's just take this open. Get this open. Oh snap, I ripped the box already. Oh. I don't know why this is a thing, why people like this plastic sound. I feel like I failed that. Alright, here it is, the OnePlus 6. Oh wow, that's a really nice phone. So as you can see, with the OnePlus 6, they decided to go with the notch. I didn't know how I was gonna feel about it because I'm seriously not a fan of having something cover up my screen. But it actually doesn't look that bad. The fact that the screen covers the entire phone makes it look really slim, smooth, slick, and it feels really nice. So in comparison with the OnePlus 5, you can tell that they switched the cameras around. Wow, they decided to put it in a vertical orientation and that way you can get more dynamic range with photos and hopefully we can test that out. I'm really excited about that. Another thing that they changed was they put the fingerprint sensor on the back. I think it actually makes it easier to unlock your phone like that. So let's see if we can turn this thing on. Oh, this is another thing I wasn't sure if I was gonna like. They changed the location of the notification slider and put it on the right side. I've just become really adapted to having the notification sliders on the left side. So we'll see how that goes. Does this have a charge? Okay, there you go. Turning it on. This is a very glossy looking phone. It's catching a lot of fingerprints though. Hi there. So what else is inside this box? When you open it up, this is the thing that I really like about them is they, oh what? They come with a case too? This is sick. This is nice. You have to, when I purchased the OnePlus 5, you have to purchase your own extra case, but the fact that they give you a clear case, this is actually pretty nice. It's really slim. It'll fit onto the phone. It won't give you too much extra size on your phone. So this is really nice that it comes with a case. It comes with your SIM card key, the OnePlus 6 manual, but I don't think anybody's actually gonna read that. Same with the safety instructions. Oh, and you get stickers too. And a dash charger. These are actually a game changer. The fact that you can charge up your phone to 50% in under half an hour is super clutch. Yeah. Oh, another thing that I would recommend if you were purchasing this phone is to grab a car charger. A car dash charger is also incredibly useful when you forget to charge your phone in the morning or forget to charge your phone at night. The fact that you can pretty much have a full charged battery by the time you finish your commute is always a good thing to have. I guess that's everything that comes in the box, but I'm really liking the fact that the phone comes with a case because you get that extra protection. I'm gonna take the plastic things off. The central of the camera is NFC sensor. What the heck? That doesn't even make sense. The central of the camera is NFC sensor. So I like the fact that the phone comes with NFC because Android Pay, Google Pay is super clutch to have. We're gonna take this plastic sticker off and we will be ready to have our OnePlus 6. So I'll be doing a full review on this phone because I'm really excited to see how it takes photos and videos. The camera can allegedly take 1080p high quality video at like 240 frames per second, meaning that you can slow down your clips to like an eighth of the time, which is really cool. 4K shoots up to 60 frames per second, which means you can get really smooth looking shots, really crispy looking shots. The fact that a camera can shoot in 4K for 60 frames, I want to see how long that can go for because most phones will usually overheat because my camera can't even do that. I would love to take a look around this phone, see how all the apps work, see how I'll adapt to this notification slider, how it feels to live with a notch. I'm not really prepared to give up that screen real estate, but we'll be giving that a shout out. So that's the unboxing of the OnePlus 6. This is a phone I'm really excited to do more in-depth reviews on. The fact that you can get such an incredible camera and phone for only $699 Canadian or $600 American, that's a great bang for your buck. I'm really excited to see the quality of the camera and the video camera on the OnePlus 6. I want to see how I will adapt to having the notification slider on the other side and the fact that there's no home button at all. I like the fact that they still got the headphone jack and the speakers at the bottom. But let me know what you guys think about the OnePlus 6, and if there's any features that you want me to test out, comment those down below. Thanks so much for watching my unboxing of the OnePlus 6. I will catch you guys in the next one. I can't get out. I'm stuck.